I've been a victim of the permanent advertising restriction twice, and in this video I'll give you two solutions. After advertising on Facebook for 7 years, I was banned permanently, and like most people, I wasn't given a proper reason behind this restriction. By the way, if you're sick and tired of Facebook, check out my YouTube ads case study where I show you how I generate 22k per month consistently for a product that was banned on Facebook. Link in the description below. Anyway, I appealed for a review with hopes of getting my advertising assets back, but the second time I haven't heard from Facebook for 8 months. My advertising status was pending review for 8 months. For 8 months, I couldn't run any ads properly. After that, I received a permanent advertising restriction and I wasn't allowed to use Meta or Facebook to advertise anymore. I was pretty mad at Facebook because over the years I spent millions of dollars on ads, and Facebook ad support said that I was banned because of suspicious activity. If you advertise on Facebook or Meta, you can have rejected ads, disabled ad accounts, a Facebook page restricted from advertising, a business manager restricted from advertising, and you can have a permanent advertising restriction on your personal profile. Those are 5 ways you can have problems with advertising restriction, and usually if something can break, it breaks. While my profile was pending review, I needed to run ads, and here comes my first solution. I created another Facebook profile. Here I didn't use my name. When people start a personal profile to advertise, they make the mistake of creating a profile of a fake person. In some cases, Facebook might ask for an ID or passport, and you'll get restricted again if you're using a fake identity. I've tried a fake identity profile, but it didn't work. Here's what I did, and it works even today. I got a brand new phone and a new SIM card, and I created a new Facebook profile using my grandmother's ID. I used the phone number to register the Facebook profile. Don't use email to register the profile. Phone numbers have better authority. Here, I suggest you use a proper SIM card from a well-known mobile provider in your country. The SIM card needs to be registered on a real person. Also, it would be good to use a new phone with a new IP address. It needs to look like a regular Facebook user. After I created the profile, I started using it like a real person. I followed some friends and I interacted on Facebook like a normal person. The profile had my grandmother's name. I only logged into Facebook using one IP for the first 14 days. I didn't do anything related to advertising for the first 2 weeks. Then I created a Facebook page and a business manager, and I slowly started advertising. Here it's important not to add any restricted assets to your new profile. For example, if you have a business manager with a bunch of restricted assets, don't add your new profile to that business manager. I know you had to hear it, but there is a reason why you got your profile restricted at the first place. And if you don't solve the issue, probably your new profile will get restricted as well. For me personally, the first time I got my restriction was because I didn't have a 2-factor authentication on my personal profile and my business manager. The second time, it was because I violated the circumventing system policy. Simply said, my website had a weird URL redirect and Facebook thought I was doing some shady things. When using your new profile, use just 1 or 2 IPs to log into Facebook. I also bought a new laptop dedicated to running ads only. Whenever I have to log in to Facebook to run ads, I use my new phone's Wi-Fi hotspot, and I would share my internet with my new laptop as well. So far this profile, I only use 1 IP. No restriction on my new profile until this day. I know it's a bit of a hassle because you need to get a new phone and a new laptop, find a real person to use their ID, and log in through only 1 IP, but this works for me. Honestly, I don't know what will happen with Facebook because the platform is very unstable. Many people complain about advertising restrictions, and we both know that Facebook ads are no longer reliable traffic source. And if you rely only on Facebook ads, you know that sooner or later you might get restricted again. Don't carry all your eggs in one basket. And here comes my second solution. Add another traffic source. For me, that traffic source is YouTube. I've created a free case study where I'll show you how I generate 22k per month consistently using YouTube ads for an info product that was banned on Facebook. Link in the description below. I'm getting the same results with YouTube ads, and so far I haven't had any issues with restricted ad accounts. Make sure you check out the rest of my videos related on Facebook ads restriction. My name is Nico, thank you for watching, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm publishing new videos every day and I'm also doing YouTube Shorts. I'll talk to you soon.